Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 outdoor Bluetooth speakers by MOFOKEAY. A product that promises to combine high-quality sound with a stunning visual ambiance for your outdoor spaces. These speakers are designed as a two-pack set, offering 10 watts of 3D surround sound from each unit. With their upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology, they can easily connect to your device up to 100 feet away. And they feature an auto-pairing function, so once one speaker connects, the other will sync instantly. This makes creating an immersive sound experience for patios, backyards, RVs, or camping trips remarkably simple. One of the standout features is the built-in LED flame lighting. You can choose between 3 modes: a flickering flame, a soft breathing light, or a steady-on setting. The effect creates a warm, relaxing vibe that pairs perfectly with the high-quality audio output. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, beyond just ambiance, the speakers are versatile in their placement. They come with mounting accessories, including wall brackets, hanging hooks, and ground stakes, so you can place them almost anywhere. Their compact, cylindrical design and lightweight build make them easy to carry, store, or reposition as needed. Battery life is another area where these speakers shine. Each speaker houses a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering up to 18 hours of continuous playback with lights on, or up to 30 hours in light-only mode. This means you can rely on them for long outdoor events or multi-day trips without constantly worrying about recharging. In terms of durability, the speakers boast an IPX6 waterproof rating. They can withstand heavy splashes, rain, and accidental spills, making them suitable for unpredictable weather conditions and poolside setups. Setup couldn't be easier. Out of the box, you have 2 speakers, the mounting accessories, 2 USB Type-C charging cables, and a simple user guide. The speakers power on with a long press of the button and enter pairing mode automatically. The Bluetooth connection is stable and strong, even across long distances, and multiple units can be synced together, up to 100 at a time, creating a fully immersive sound environment for larger gatherings. In short, these speakers are not just a tech gadget, they are also a decorative addition to your outdoor space. Their flame lantern style and quality construction make them a unique gift option for anyone who enjoys outdoor entertainment, camping, or simply adding a touch of ambiance to their patio or backyard. If you're looking for an all-in-one outdoor speaker solution that delivers both sound and style, this outdoor Bluetooth speakers are certainly worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product critique review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.